Bradenton. They got an event today called Street Heat, and I figured, hey man, let's hop in the Camaro, slide down to Bradenton, and it'll be a great opportunity for me to get some content post-surgery, since I've been laid up in the bed trying to rest and recover, because I'm ready to get back in the garage. There's so much going on that's just waiting for me to put my hands all over, but gotta be patient, gotta make sure that I'm cleared and ready to go, and we'll have the sling off in no time, ready to work. So when you guys see us again, well, you know what, whenever we stop at the gas station, I'll let y'all see what this sweet Camaro looks like. And then after that, then we'll be live and direct from the racetrack today at Bradenton Motorsports Park. So see you guys soon. Make sure you tap in for the video. Again, it's me and my boy Jake the Great, and we're having a good one. Let's go.
Here we go.
Man, you gotta love the way that Camaro sounds. So we're almost to the racetrack. We're about 40 minutes out of the racetrack. So we're gonna keep cruising on in. We'll see you guys on the track side. So here we are. You can see the water out here is pretty choppy. Good thing we're not on the water today. But we are on our way over the Sky Bridge. I wonder how tall the bridge is, you know?
Oh, I have no clue. I just know it's tall.
Hey Siri. Oh, she's not gonna listen to me.
Yeah.
No, I got you.
Got you right here. How tall is the Skyway Bridge?
The Sunshine Skyway Bridge is 430 feet tall.
Oh, nice to know. So we're crossing. We're currently crossing that bridge. So, yeah. got those torques, it might be a little issue for your car to make it up the hill, you know, or vehicle. I've heard of some people that have an issue with it, but man, you can feel the grade, like the climb. You can feel it. That's sick. Now you can get up to the top of the bridge and say, I'm the king of the world.
I'm the king of Florida.
Now, here's the part that's like, oh, the brakes work. Man. It doesn't matter where you're at in Florida. Like, at any point in time, there's always like scenery that's just like, makes you feel like you're on vacation. So we got a B in here. for sure. What's your name again, bro?
My name's Renee.
Renee?
Jake. This guy's okay. Actually, I got enough paper to like we'll do a night
So Rockstars, that's a done data for today. We've had fun at the racetrack. Bradenton Motorsports Parkway, they had the street heat. We pulled up in the 1LE with my boy Jake the Great and his 2023 1LE, and we had fun on the way here. We enjoyed our time at the track. And now we're gonna head back to the crib. So you know what it is. Make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe to the content right here on YouTube. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when we drop new content on P-Rock's Garage. As always, it's your boy, Small Block P-Rock, and I'm ready to rock. If you guys are ready to roll, we'll catch you in the next one. Let that exhaust clear out one time. Yes, sir.